Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials ready: the security key and an admin-signed Windows 11 session. Plug in the key or tap it via NFC and open Settings Account Sign-In options. Once done, choose Security Key and click Manage or Setup. You'll be guided to insert, touch, or provide PIN for the key. Follow prompts to name the key so you can recognize it later. This start gets you into the actual enrollment flow quickly, avoiding setup delays. Next, register the key by following the interactive prompts. Insert it, touch the metal sensor, or tap with NFC when Windows requests it. You must create or confirm a security key PIN. Choose something memorable yet complex, because it unlocks the hardware. Make sure you register a recognizable name for this key, and if prompted, add a backup key to avoid lockout. Also, enable Windows Hello Fingerprint or Face as a secondary to finish test signing in. Lock the PC, select Security Key, insert or tap and enter your PIN to confirm it works. If you need to remove a key later, go back to Sign-In options and revoke it immediately to protect your account. If the key doesn't respond, try updating USB drivers, using another port, or toggling TPM and Secure Boot in BIOS. Also restart the PC and reattempt enrollment. Those steps resolve most issues. If you're still blocked, try the backup key you registered.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.